Okay, I got this wrapped up and everything. Got the ball made. I want to, there's just some dough I had some left over from the other day, and I'll leave a description on how I made it. And
I left this thing in overnight, and this thing is rose like, yes, look at that. Just gonna pour this out on the batter. Okay, after we get all rolled out, we're going to take little donut cutters and we just make little donut holes here. Okay, we're going to fill this up with oil, cooking oil. Okay, I like to fry one of these at a time. Just set that in there. And that's what it looks like, buddy. We're going to do another one. Okay, we're going to move this phone out of the way. This is what we're going to make our glaze with. We're going to put this into the microwave first. I'm going to take that off so it's microwavable safe, and then we'll come back in a minute. And that right there is what you're looking for, like that. Okay. You're going to take your donut. Like that. Okay, take a look at that. Now we're going to use some sprinkles all over this and make it look nice. Oh yeah, that's enough. Okay, now it's enough. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. If I can get my hands on it. Look at that. Oh, it's so delicious, people. Okay, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you do like my channel, hit that bell so you get notification. I'll see you next time.